बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so viewers you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. This is DIY craft video signing in, and I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful and very amazing handmade button craft ideas for you guys. These are very beautiful and very amazing and very unique and very classy button craft ideas for you guys. I am very thankful to you all guys. These are super amazing and stunning button craft ideas for you guys. These are top trending and very beautiful and very amazing collection for you guys. I hope so guys you all like these button craft ideas for you guys. You guys must make these button craft ideas at home. These are super incredible and very classy ideas for you guys. You use your old buttons into new and recycle them with new craft work. I'm very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very beautiful and very amazing and very stunning button craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, stay tuned till the next video. Hope so you enjoyed this video. Must subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.